I'm Arlene Gubler. I'm the boys tennis coach for the 2011 season, for the tennis season, and I feel very privileged to have said that I have had a great team this year. The boys were very athletic. We had an unusual situation where we had a lot of our varsity boys as first years, tennis boys, so first time picking up the racket, and I feel as though we had a really good season. I'd like to honor a couple of the boys, or all the varsity boys that have lettered. Our first varsity boy would be Bridger Simons, first year, would be presented with a letter this year. Bergen Tyndall, also varsity letter. Connor Wright, Evan Fritz, Kevin Stenson, who is also our co-captain, Jordan Terry, and Andrew Hollenbach, who is also our co-captain. Andrew Hollenbach, also being captain this season, is also being presented with our MVP award. He has shown great leadership, commitment to the team, and just all-around great kid. And so wonderful that I also would like to present him with the Colonial League Boys Tennis Sportsmanship Award. He was nominated by myself and 2 other coaches, including Saucon Valley's coach and Southern Lehigh's coach. They said he had the most fair line calls, very gentlemanly when he played, very gracious toward the other players, and just a really great guy all around. So congratulations, Andrew.